Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain normal derivative. So normal derivative, greatest rate of increase, both are same. Either the question will be asked normal derivative or greatest rate of increase. Okay, so the formula for normal derivative, modulus of del phi. Okay, we know already del phi means gradient of phi. Okay, so the magnitude of gradient is nothing but normal derivative. Okay, first problem, find the normal derivative of pi is equal to xy plus yz plus zx at the point minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, here pi is a function of three variables. By using pi we can find dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z, right? Okay, now we will see the solution. First write down the given function. Okay, given pi is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, by using pi we can find dou phi by dou x, okay, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z. Okay, so these three are derivatives. Okay, dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z. Okay, with respect to x differentiation, treat y and z are constants, which means xy differentiation with respect to x is y. Second term we get 0, y is a differentiation, and third term zx differentiation is z, which implies you will get y plus z. And dou phi by dou y, with respect to y differentiation, treat x and z are constants, which implies in first term differentiation we get x, second term y is a differentiation is z, okay, y will be 1, and third term x is a different, okay, zx is 0, the simplification x plus z, and the last term, okay, dou phi by dou z. Okay, first term will be 0 because both are constants with respect to z differentiation, x and y are constants. In second term, y is a differentiation with respect to z is y, and the third term zx differentiation with respect to z is x, which implies we get x y plus x. Okay, now apply the point. Okay, here we have minus 1 comma 1 comma 1, which means this is order triplet. Okay, x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. Very simple. Okay, we will make this as a table. Okay, it's very simple. Just put the values of x, y, z. In place of x, y, z, we have minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, put x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. Okay, we get dou phi by dou x is equal to, put y equal to 1 and z equal to 1, we get 2, right? Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, dou phi by dou y. Here x is equal to minus 1, z equal to plus 1, which means it is 0. Okay, next dou phi by dou z. Okay, here y equal to 1, okay, x equal to minus 1, so this also will be 0. Okay, so these three values are nothing but dou phi by dou x at the point minus 1 1 1, dou phi by dou y at the point minus 1 1 1, dou phi by dou z at the point minus 1 1 1. Okay, so now we have three values. Okay, derivative at the points. Okay, we have, by using these three values we can find the del phi. Okay, we know that, okay, next line, we know that, okay, del phi is equal to, okay, the formula for del phi equal to dou phi by dou x into I vector plus dou phi by dou y into j vector plus dou phi by dou z into k vector. Okay, which implies del phi equal to, what is dou phi by dou x? 2 I vector plus dou phi by dou y is 0 j vector plus dou phi by dou z is again 0, 0 k vector. Okay, now we have the vector of del phi. By using del phi, now we can find normal derivative, because the question is find the normal derivative. Okay, the question is find the normal derivative. What is the formula for normal derivative? Normal derivative equal to modulus of del phi. Okay, now write down the formula for normal derivative. Okay, to find the normal derivative, okay, to find the normal derivative, normal derivative is equal to modulus of del phi, okay, which means modulus of, what is del phi? 2i vector plus 0j vector plus 0k vector. Okay, it is very simple. How to find the modulus? Which means square root of, okay, I vector coefficient is 2, okay, 2 square, j vector coefficient is 0, 0 square, plus k vector coefficient is 0, again 0 square, which implies root of, okay, 2 square plus 0 square plus 0 square is root of 4. Root of 4 is nothing but 2. Okay, so finally we get, okay, finally we get normal derivative. Therefore, normal derivative, okay, is equal to 2. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, now we will see the second question. What is the greatest rate of increase of pi is equal to xyz square at the point 103? Okay, here instead of normal derivative, it is given that greatest rate of increase. Okay, both are same. Okay, already I told. Okay, so for normal derivative and greatest rate of increase, both are same formula. Okay, so here also we are going to find modulus of del phi. Okay, first write down the given function pi equal to xyz square at the point 103. So these two are given. Okay, by using pi, okay, we can find dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z. Okay, you also follow the same procedure, like first to find the derivatives. After that, substitute the values at x equal to 1, y equal to 0, z equal to 3. Okay, first to find the derivatives, dou phi by dou x, which means differentiate xy z square with respect to x. Okay, so with respect to x differentiation, treat y and z square are constants. So in this case, the answer is y z square. Okay, with respect to y differentiation, x and z square are constants. Here we will get x z square. For dou phi by dou z, with respect to z differentiation, treat x and y are constants. Okay, xy, and z square differentiation is 2z. Okay, 2z. Okay, now substitute the values at x equal to 1, y equal to 0, z equal to 3. Okay, which implies in first term here we have y z square. Okay, here in place of y we have 0. So 0 into anything is 0. We get only 0. And for second term, okay, dou phi by dou y, second derivative, next derivative with respect to y. Here put x equal to 1, z equal to 3. Okay, so 1 into 3 square. Okay, what is 3 square? 3 square 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Okay, next last term. For last term here we have 2x y z. Here also we have y. In place of y we have 0. So 0 into anything will be 0. Okay, finally we get dou phi by dou x value 0, dou phi by dou y value 9, and dou phi by dou z value 0. Now substitute these three values in del phi formula. Okay, we know that del phi equal to dou phi by dou x into I vector plus dou phi by dou y into j vector plus dou phi by dou z into k vector. Okay, substitute dou phi by dou x equal to 0, 0 I vector, dou phi by dou y equal to 9, 9 j vector, dou phi by dou z equal to 0, 0 k vector. Okay, by using del phi we can find the greatest rate of increase, because the formula for greatest rate of increase is modulus of del phi. Okay, which implies modulus of 0i plus 9j plus 0k. Okay, so which means square root of 0 square plus 9 square plus again 0 square. Okay, which implies we get root of 9 square. Okay, the sum of 0 square plus 9 square plus 0 square, 9 square. So square and root cancel, we get only 9. Therefore, the greatest rate of increase, greatest rate of increase is equal to 9. Okay, is equal to 9. This is your final answer.